Vanessa again. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do my edges because it's been asked for on my TikTok and on my other YouTube videos, so I'm gonna show y'all mine as well. But anyways, yes, let's start. I only use 3 things to do my edges, so I got them pulled back. I would normally do them after doing my makeup. I use this. I use a rat's tail comb, and for the product I use this. Anything that I use for my hair is always in my Amazon storefront, which will be in my description. But this brand is called Love Your Curls, and it's a sea moss gel. It's a medium hold. My hair is fine, even though it looks like I have a lot of hair. I really don't have a lot of hair. It's just curly, so it gives me, like, it has volume. But the reason why I love this and not like Eco Style gel is that this is water based. Let me turn down this music. Okay, so this is water based and the gel is oil based. So I used to wonder why it didn't really work for me like it worked for other people, and it's because my hair is just so fine, and the Eco Style gel will make it like super soft and shrivel up and fluff up. It doesn't really hold the shape, and this does. It will literally keep my hair stuck in place. It's very hard for me to find one that I really like, but this is it, and I'm pretty sure this is very inexpensive. They sent it to me. I'm not a brand ambassador for them or anything, but I really do love this. They sent me their whole entire line, which is I think 3 products, and then this is like a bonus one. I'm not sure if they have more, but I really like it. Like I said, it'll be in my Amazon storefront, link in the description. Love that it's water based. And then I just got my continuous spray water bottle. This is actually my second one. I just went to buy this because I lost my other one. I think I left it in a hotel. Before I bought this one, I was using another one, which is like a regular bottle, and it was just giving me too much water in one area, which would cause it to like drip down, and my hair is red, so it will get all over my clothes and stuff like that. We don't like that. So I like this because it's like a light mist. Get you one, especially if your hair is colored, but if not, it's fine. Just get you whatever works for you. It's so crazy because I was just watching this hair tutorial, and the girl threw me back into the days when I was like super broke and I was in high school, and she just had like a regular cup with water, and she just dipping the cup in the water and like doing her hair. And I used to hate it so much because there used to be water everywhere, but I never had really anybody to look up to when it came to hair. Like in my family, everybody either perm their hair or straighten their hair, and nobody quite had curls like mine. So I didn't really know what to do with my hair. I didn't know that there were spray bottles for this, like for your hair. I had to literally learn how to do my hair all by myself. Spent so many hours, so much money into like going to hairstylists and just like watching YouTube videos and just a bunch of stuff. So yes, y'all want some more videos on here, let me know. I need y'all to DM me like specific videos. Anyways, let's get started. Y'all might as well like this video because why not? I am just going to work in sections. I do it in thirds, so this, and then I'll do these. So I'm wetting this a good amount, just enough to where it barely drips. We don't want it to drip because my hair is red, but if it does, it's not the end of the world. Just pour a little bit and massage it in. Pour a little bit, massage it in. Now I'm gonna take the gel and apply it with my fingers. Ignore my nails, y'all. I just took them off. Well, I filed them down and I'm about to soak them off soon. My eczema came back and my fingers are literally like cracking and it's painful. So I don't want to soak them in acetone, but I also don't want to pull off my nails because I don't want them to thin out and I don't want them to be super sensitive. So I don't know, I might, you know, wait a little bit on those. But yeah, I'm just going in with gel. Oh, this is a throwback song. Okay, why did my phone just turn like that? I don't know, but it's about to fall, that's why. So this brush is like very stiff and very hard because it has like product buildup, so I just loosen it up a little bit, and then okay, let me turn this back down. So I brush it out to get the product distributed, and I try to get it to basically clump up. Let's see, get it to clump up as much as possible. I'll brush it together, brush it together. I try to do this as quickly as possible because I don't want my makeup to like mix in with it, you know what I mean? I put setting spray on and stuff, and the video to my makeup will be up, I'm pretty sure, before this, if not after, but you could check the description. Click on my page, y'all. Don't be lazy. The goal is to make them clump. And then if it's not sticking, all you have to do is add a little bit more water, and then this is when I go in with my rat's tails comb and I just guide it where I want it to go and press down on my forehead with a little bit of pressure. This piece is actually longer than I want it, but I'm still gonna try to finesse it. There's that little piece of hair that's like not doing it for me. So make sure you're holding it while you're doing it. This is going to prevent like the whole thing from falling off. I just wanted to saturate that last little piece. That is cute. I like that. I'm satisfied with that. So I'm just gonna leave it alone. This I'm not satisfied with, but the more you mess with it, the more you are potentially gonna mess it all up. And there's little hairs like this that'll like be tangled into this, and when you take it out, it'll mess the whole thing up. So you literally, it's really practice makes perfect. Like for real, for real. I remember when I first started doing edges, my friend had some baby hairs and I was literally obsessed with them. I didn't even know that they were not her real hair because they look so natural and she did them so well. And so when I found that out, I was like, girl, I want edges. Like, they're so cute. So she taught me and she had to do it the first couple times, and then like she seemed annoyed. So I took over and then I just started doing them how I started doing them. The first time I started doing edges by myself, I was doing like the swoop, 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 swoop waves. But this one I like even more because I feel like they're more messy and they go with my natural hair a little bit better. This is a little dry, so I'm gonna get it wet. So normally I would do like this side gets swooped to this side, this side gets swooped to this side. But one of my old friends, I liked how she did hers this way, and I've never seen it before, or either that or like never paid attention to anybody else do it, and I liked it, so I adopted that habit and I've been doing it for some years now. And I can't just like not do it. Like this side, my sides have to be swooped the opposite way. So normally if I have like a couple hairs like this extra long, I will cut them just because I don't got time to keep trying to fix it. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna show y'all how to fix it. So I'm gonna get my comb wet, put a little bit more water, and then just use my rat's tail comb and just keep going in a circle and just really taking your time. That looks so much better. Like this right here, this is annoying. Like this gonna have to get cut off because it's literally like one strand and it's bothering me. So I'm gonna cut that off in a minute at the end, but you see how we come in, and this side is pretty dry too. So now I'm gonna wet this. Let me know how you guys do your edges, and let me know if you're gonna try the way I do mine, if you like them. Clump it together. Remember, clump it together with the water and the product. I can see the red bleeding on my forehead. I'm gonna try to clear that up a little bit. Go in with my rat's tail for the inside to be more perfect and round, and make sure everything's clumping. It's a little dry right here, so it's not clumping together. So I'm gonna add a little bit of water on my fingers. Okay. And sometimes I don't even stick the tails of these swoops down. I just let them dry in thin air, and then that will give it the more messy look, because I do wash and goes. So wash and goes are not usually very defined. They're just kind of messy. I love these for curly hair. Like, I am obsessed with it. I'm so upset I haven't like tried them a lot sooner, because they don't leave any like indentions in your hair. I'm just putting y'all on. Pretty girls don't gatekeep, okay? So now I'm gonna do this side. Woo, woo. That was a lot. And now I'm going to put in the gel again. You guys don't have to use specifically this product. Just use whatever works for you. If you have fine hair like me, this product should work really well on you. For some reason, my sides, like my sideburns, are not as curly. I don't know what's up with that, but it will dry curly. Sometimes I like help it a little bit, and just like when it curls, I'll push it in so that by the time it dries, it'll like hang down like a little cute little curl right there. And boom, just like that, that side's done. I'll leave this like hanging, like I said, because I like the messy edges. Or sometimes, like if this piece was smaller, like thinner, sometimes I'll actually cut it so that it's just like a small, tiny, cute little loop right there. You know, I'll just play with it. Literally, all you gotta do is just play with it. I feel like this is easy, but then I remember the first time that I ever did edges and how overwhelmed I was when I started doing it. All it really takes is practice. There's so many people that used to be like, can you please do my edges? Can you please teach me how to do my edges? And that's why I do YouTube, so I ain't gotta do it. Like, I could just teach you, you know what I'm saying? Like, watch it as many times as you would like. Oop, it's dripping. Okay, put in gel, put in gel. I also have to finish my video doing the whole hair transformation. I literally just bleached it and styled it and everything, and that video should be up before this one, but just in case it's not, be on the lookout for that. It will be in the description if anything. And I have to finish it by cutting my hair and shaping it. I'm gonna do the whole, well, I did the whole shebang. I just gotta finish it and cut it and stuff, so it's like how I like it with layers. So there's that. And then maybe I should get it to match this side, so I'm gonna get a small little piece, make sure it's nice and saturated, curled. Why is it not curling? Okay, there we go. Just needs a little bit of guidance. Ooh, you see this side trying to like lift up? No, baby, we can't have that one. Can't do that one. Okay, got my finger wet. Cute little circle right there. So if this does, if any of them like start to fall off, like get unsticky, like if I'm sweating or something because I'm doing TikToks or something, at least it'll fall like in place. It'll fall in its form, like it'll be curly. With this, it does not frizz up at all, so I like that. And yeah, this is how I would normally keep it. Even if I am having my hair down, I will still have my edges like this, because if I get hot or something, I always put it up. If I put it up, I want to be cute, you feel me? So yeah, this is how I do my, let me get my scissors because this little piece is bothering me. Shout out to Trail for giving me the shears that's been on my wish list for over a year. Y'all will not hear the end of me talking about these. I'm probably gonna mention it every time I have to pull these out, but this has been on my want list for over a year, but I didn't want to spend $500+ on shears, even though I know that I would get my money's worth. This has already paid off. Like, I've already cut like so much split ends, and like I said, after this video I'm going to finish my hair transformation and shape my hair by myself. So yeah, shout out to Trail for getting these for me. Will forever be grateful. And they're so freaking cute. It's so crazy because I got her a clipper set. We both did not know what we were getting at each other, and it's so crazy that we both got each other the same exact color, the same exact finish. I got her like a limited edition set, and then you get to choose like what color these are, and she knew that my favorite color was pink, so they're are so cute and girly. And she didn't even just get the shears. She got like a package. She got like thinning shears, which are pink and silver. It came with like oil and stuff like that. And it also came with, what are these called? I don't know what these are called, but this razor, I'm pretty sure it's for like eyebrows and stuff like that, to shape it up. And it came with this. Like, I literally cried when I got this. This is one of my best gifts ever. I don't think I've ever cried when getting a gift, but I cried when I got this because it's literally just the principle. Like, you didn't have to get these for me. They were super expensive, and honestly, like, how often am I gonna use it? But I absolutely adore my hair. Like, my hair is something that I do not play about, and she knows this. She took that into consideration, and she ended up getting it for me for Christmas, and I cannot be any more thankful, grateful. Like, but anyways, this is how I'm gonna do my edges. I'm literally debating on if I should do like mini circles here or leave it like this. What y'all think? I don't know, y'all. I'm scared because I don't want to mess up. Oh, you see that? I just pulled this down a little bit. I just pulled it out to a little bit, and this is starting to go into that one. Okay, I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna leave it alone before I mess up something. But what, ta-da, this is how I do my edges. It's so satisfying because my hair just got touched up. I literally touched it up, I want to say like 4 days ago, and my roots are already starting to grow out. So I need to get as much content as I can with my natural hair before it grows out, and then I hate it and I don't do any more hair stuff. But yeah, let me know if you guys like this tutorial. Let me know if it was really helpful, and if you don't like this style of edges, that's completely fine. If you just like this style, you could do that everywhere. If you just like this, you can do that everywhere. If you like this, you can do that anywhere. Like, you can literally be super creative. This is just how I like to do mine. It's been my go-to for a while now. But let me know if you like it. I'm going to go fix my hair for this last video. I love you, Vanessa gang, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.